Hey guys, welcome back to Faithful Keto Kitchen where we make keto delicious. So today I'm going to show you a quick, fast, easy 4-ingredient recipe to make some chia berry jam. So delicious though guys, even though it's few ingredients, really good. Great on keto if you're on a ketogenic diet, or if you're a diabetic or a low sugar diet, or just want something tasty to eat on your toast. So let's get started and I'll show you what to do. So far what I did to get it started ahead of time, I put 4 cups of this triple berry blend. I get this sometimes at Costco. This time I got it at Sam's Club. Just get a bag of this. I like to get frozen berries, guys, because they last longer. Every time I get, to be honest with you, every time I get the fresh berries, which are delicious of course, they go bad like within a couple of days and then I lose out. So I do know this, that they generally pack fruits and vegetables fresh off the vine. So that's a plus. So definitely get you some frozen berries. I like to use the frozen berries as well with this because it gives the moisture that I need and it makes it perfect so I don't have to add water to it. So yeah, so these are organic triple berry. They have blueberries, blackberries, and raspberries in them. So the perfect combination for this berry jam. We're also going to put a teaspoon of liquid stevia. I think that's a perfect amount, guys, but if you want it a little less sweet, you can put a little less. Just adjust it to your liking. And we put in the pot a 1/4 cup of erythritol granules, guys. And you know, I like the Anthony's brand. I get it at Amazon. Super inexpensive, and you get a lot for your buck. So we're going to do that. And of course, we're going to add some organic chia seeds. Chia seeds? No, it's chia seeds. We're going to add some organic chia seeds, guys. And what I do with my bag of chia seeds, I like to use ground chia seeds. I don't buy them ground. As you guys know, just like how I grind up my erythritol, I get a clean coffee grinder and go ahead and put the seeds in it and then just ground it up so I don't have to buy them separately, and you get a lot of volume for your buck. So that's what I did here, and I just replaced them back in the bag and keep them in the refrigerator to stay fresh. That's it. So in the pot right now, I have the berries and the sweeteners, okay? And we'll put the chia seeds in later. So what you're gonna do is let your berries melt down, and then once they melt really well, just get them all mashed up, guys. I found that what I used to do, I used to take the berries and put them in a food processor or put them in a blender, but it kind of made it like frothy and stuff, so I didn't like the look of that. So it's just simpler to just get them all unthawed in the pot and just mash them really good, guys. So that's what's in here. I'm gonna let that, and then what we're gonna do is once you get them all mashed up, once they thaw out, we're gonna let it sit for a minute, for like 3 minutes as you're mashing it. And then we're gonna add our chia seeds to it right now. So I think this is really good and mashed up. I put it on a little bit in advance, guys. So about 3 minutes, 3 to 5 minutes, cook them down and then mash. Okay, we got it nice and mashed up. The berries are mashed up, everything. The 3 minutes will also give enough time for the erythritol to dissolve, the granules. It's just like sugar, just sweetener, okay? So I'll put this right here for now. So you're gonna add 2.5 tablespoons of your ground chia seeds. And guys, got my whisk, guys. You wanna get it kind of like whisked up really, really well. And if the whisk doesn't work, if you don't have a whisk at home, go ahead and just use a spoon. That'll work perfectly fine. You want it on low heat, guys, because it's kind of bubbling up right now. And you can also have some of the berries in there chunky, because it just tastes so good to have the chunky berries on toast. And by the way, we have a really good recipe on our website, faith4ketokitchen.com, and it's called Rosa's Better Buttery Bread. So good, guys, I'm telling you. Go get that recipe, and I'll link it below as well, okay? Go check that out. Eat it and pair it up with this jam. You'll love it. So let's get our chia seeds in here, though. Let's get it made, all right? So we're gonna do 2.5 teaspoons. And what I like to do is whisk it as I go in, so shake it all around and get it all whisked up, one at a time. Because sometimes the chia seeds will start coagulating and getting kind of clumpy all together. And this is why I like to use the ground chia seeds, guys. Let's get our 2nd tablespoon in. Okay. nice and mixed up really well. See, it's starting to already get thickened up. And chia seeds tend to get thicker as they sit, and as this cools, it'll get thicker, but it'll be the perfect like jam-like consistency. And this is the half a tablespoon. Half a tablespoon. Oops. Try not to get it on the stove. In the pot is better. All right, guys. So I got that nice and whisked up, and you want it to cook on low heat for about 3 to 5 minutes. So we're gonna let it cook low for 3 to 5 minutes, and then we'll come back and I'll show you what it looks like. Okay, so it got nice and thick, you guys, and I let it sit for a little while. But as it sits, when you put it in your jar, because I like to use a nice little mason jar, you know, and here's the cool part. I put this little decoration on it. It's just burlap. I tied it around there with a little leaf. The cool thing is, this recipe is so easy to make. You can make it in bulk, and you can actually give it as gifts for Christmas time, or even for Thanksgiving if you want to give like a gift when your guests come over. Perfect, and it'll seem like you did a lot of work, but it's just something that's delicious and healthy for them, okay? And you can serve it at the table and have these already in the fridge, so that if the guests like it, and they will, then you can say, hey, I have a gift for you guys. Here you go. You can take some home with you. So what we're going to do is, first of all, let me give it a taste, make sure it's sweet enough. And you can adjust the sweetness to your taste. I don't like it super, super sweet, but just sweet enough. That's really good, guys. Oh, I like that. And chia seeds are good for you too as well, and so are berries. And the cool thing about it is, when you're on the keto diet, these, and even if you're diabetic, guys, these are low glycemic fruits. That's the best part. So like strawberries and blackberries are low glycemic. Blueberries are pretty good as well. So I like this blend, and it has raspberries in it, and raspberries definitely good on keto as well. So you'll like it. So you want to fill up your jar, and it's perfect amount. Fills it up perfectly, guys. Look at that. And you want to use a mason jar. I get my mason jars at Walmart. You can get them at any some grocery stores have them as well. Actually, I seen them at Kroger as well, at Smith. So they have them there. Fits it perfectly. Look at that. Isn't that nice? And then you're gonna put your lid on. Let it cool down first though, guys. Then you can put your lid on and then put it in the refrigerator, and it should last for about 2 weeks in the refrigerator, but it ain't gonna last that long because you're gonna eat it. Trust me, you're gonna love it. So definitely give this one a try. I like this a lot. Hubby likes it a lot. Definitely try it with some like peanut butter and jelly sandwiches you can make. We put it on our pancakes and waffles sometimes. It's just all around versatile, you know, nice and delicious. So if you like this recipe, give it a thumbs up, and definitely subscribe to the channel if you want to see more recipes like this, and hit the bell so next time I make another video, you will be the first to know. So God bless you guys. Have an amazing week, and we'll see you soon. Bye, guys.